Hey everybody! Alright, we're getting so close. This is Kevin from the Awareness.website, and we got this week's Awareness Tai Chi video for you. Moves 106 and 107. So that's parent close up and the last cross hands. So hang in there, we'll be right back. Okay, can't believe we're almost there. So moves 106 on 107. So this is your last chance to do a nice Donyu with the cross hands. So you get to do Toryus with the parent close-up, and you do a nice Donyu with the cross hands. And then we are at the end. So only one more video after this for this series. So let's get into it. Okay. So we've ended up with Deflect, Parry, Punch. Step up, Deflect, Parry, Punch. So in the set, facing you, that would be going in this direction. So we chop with fist, Deflect, Parry, Punch. So a parent close-up. Again, you Toryu back. The left hand comes up to the elbow, open the right hand, and then turn and Donyu into the right leg. Turn the palms forward, body straightens up, and Toryu out. From there, you'll push from the front leg, the palms turn up, turn and pivot on the heel, turn and pivot on the toe, sit down. Do a Donyu, cross, come up, step in, and there we are, the cross hands. So again, we've gone over this before. These moves are nothing new, but we'll just kind of take a look and see if there's anything we can clarify. So from the punch, doing the Toryu back, you push from the front leg, and that pushes the left hand up. You turn to the right to sit down and drop elbows into the right leg. Turn the palms forward, push up, and then Donyu into the front leg. Donyu out of the front leg, palms turn up, turn the body, express up and drop the hips. And the hands press down. Shift across, come up, and as soon as you can, bring the left foot in to finish the standing up. So from this direction, so you Toryu up. So again, turn to the right so you can sit into the right leg. Hands turn forward, arms express, and Donyu into the front leg. Push up. So notice I don't turn too soon. Get this open. Turn the body and pivot. Pivot on the toe and drop the hips and sit down. Shift across, come up, step in, so your feet are parallel, pretty much the same as when you've opened. Yes, and Shelley's just reminding me to make sure that you understand that this is an expression. Quite often what happens is people will come up here and they'll go down to their Donyu, and it's a big strain, so they try and lift themselves up and they hold the arms in. So when you come up here, when you sit, connect the arms, push with the leg, and this is an expression as you're coming up. This is an expression. So the head comes up and the arms express out. Not straight out, but sort of a rounded, like you got a beach ball in your arms here. So this is an expansion. And then you'll drop your hands. But that's next week's video. Okay, so I think that's fairly clear, and obviously, if anything comes up that you want to talk about, be sure to make a comment or something on the video or send us an email. So let's do some follow along. So I'll do the Deflect, Parry, Punch in this direction. So you're following behind me. So push from the front leg. The left hand comes up, turn to the right, and sit down. So your body's at 45. Turn the palms forward, come up, relax and Danyu into the front leg as you Toryu. Hands come up, turn and pivot, pivot, sit down. Connect the arms and they express as you stand up. One more time. Go from the punch, Toryu back. Left hand to the elbow, open the arms, drop elbows, sit, turn the palms forward, and Toryu out. Push up, pivot, pivot, sit down, cross, express as you stand up, step in, feet parallel. We'll do it one more from, couple more from this direction. So from the punch, parent close up. Turn to the right, sit down. Push from the back leg, open up, sit into the front leg. Push up, turn, pivot, pivot, sit down, shift across, cross the arms, express as you stand up and step in. One more time. See all the Danyus you get to do when you practice like this? So, Toryu. Danyu. Danyu up. And finish the Toryu. Push up. Pivot. Pivot. Drop the hips and sit. Cross. Push up and express as you stand. Okay, so that's it for this week, and practice lots. Again, send the comments and all that. Okay, so like us on Facebook, check out the website, subscribe to our channel. You all know how to get there now, so we'll see you again. Take care.